Hello class, welcome to part 7 of the Poetic Analyzation of War Photograph by Kate Daniels. We are now officially done analyzing line by line of the poem for poetic elements. I believe now that it is proper to talk about the mood and tone of the poem before the culmination of the poem in the videos, which is the theme. Some things you need to know before we talk about the mood and tone is to differentiate between the two. And mood is how the audience feels when reading a work, and tone is essentially the author's implied attitude as they are writing the work. This is mainly revealed through the author's diction. So let's start with mood. What I think the mood of the poem is this is a dark poem, of course. This is a very dark poem. It's dreary. There's basically no happiness going on whatsoever. So I think the mood of this poem goes along it's a depressing mood. You kind of feel helpless as well reading this poem. The fact that this is going on with a girl, you want to help her, right? You want to help this girl who is suffering, and it's very depressing that this is going on, and you want to help her, but you can't. So it kind of makes you feel weak. It kind of makes you feel sad or depressed. It could also make you feel angry that these events are going on. It could also make you feel disgusted that these things are going on. So the mood is a mix of all of those. It's a mix of disgust. It's a mix of anger. It's a mix of sadness. It's a mix of all that. Of course, mood can be subjective. This is how I personally felt through the poem, and you should put what you feel about the poem, your mood, in the comment section if you want to. I would like to see everybody's thoughts, of course. For the tone of the poem, I would say that Kate Daniels, as she's writing this poem, I would say that she is melancholic, and she's also disappointed while writing this poem. And let me tell you why. As you can tell, like throughout the whole poem, like the blown up bamboo, the melted pots and pans, the everything going on, the distance, feeling sorry, just it's all negative. And this negativity, I believe, is in the form of sadness and depression over what's going on. Just a feeling of melancholy. I believe Kate Daniels is writing this in a very melancholic way. And I believe that she is also disappointed by what is going on. Just a mix of melancholy and disappointment. And the disappointment, I think, is revealed through these last 4 lines here. How can she know what we really are? From the distance we look so terribly human. I think these lines, as we talked about in the last video, what they mean, these lines show the disappointment. As she's writing this, she is melancholic and disappointed that these events are going on. So that is the mood and tone of War Photograph by Kate Daniels. In the last video, we will talk about the theme of War Photograph by Kate Daniels. See you in the next video.